Alrighty, we got granite countertops. Look at that. Looks good. Looking good. Granite over there. I hope they arranged okay for you there, Ember. Still don't have a deck. Talked to Randy about that. Talked to Randy about a lot of stuff. Anyway, and this now just kind of noticed this. Your little desk. That's cool. It was probably in the other video, but no, I didn't do a video. I don't think I've done a video since up here, have I? That's nice. And I haven't quite got that yet, but you know, they're gonna do that. Y'all already worked it out. And I guess all your light fixtures and everything in here are right. So anyway, this looks pretty simple here, Amber. I think you can take those two screws out there and there and just turn it, and it, you know, probably leave a little mark on the ceiling, but they got touch up. You just turn it. It's pretty simple fix. It's just a box, a square box, so you can turn it either way. That's pretty simple. I mean, no biggie. So, I mean, all that right there it's looking really good. Trim work and everything. So, I mean, you've seen most of the house. Nothing's really got any further. I've kind of asked Randy about that. You know, it's been kind of slowed down the last 3 weeks. Not much getting done. But, you know, the main thing, well, why hadn't they painted? Why hadn't they landscaped? And he really couldn't answer that. And actually, Jeff didn't show up. No, Jeff wasn't here. Oh, he was kind of pissed about that. Me too. Anyway, there's your cabinets. Looking good. I don't know if you hear me thumping on the phone, try to get it to focus. Let's see if it'll do it on its own. I got some color in here now. That's the same, pretty much the same as here. I was like, okay. I think he was kind of embarrassed that Jeff didn't show up because he was just here. He was just talking to him. I guess he had to go. You know, the hell with meeting with the guy that's going to pay for the damn thing. I got to go home. You know, I let him know I wasn't real happy about that. You know, Jeff's a good guy and all that, but, you know, there's things around here that could have been happening. You know, it was happening real quick until about 3 weeks ago. So anyway, so this is what you got in here, Emma. It's looking good.